I moved from a home into an apartment. I'm a garden lover and having withdrawal. My apartment patio gets only afternoon sun in the summer. What would you suggest for plants and flowers? And this is from Miss Elizabeth Springfield. So, Tonya, what do you think?
Well, I'm guessing if you're an apartment dweller, you're looking for something to grow in containers.
That's what I would think.
And probably something colorful, probably annuals, but you can use begonias. New Guinea impatiens will also take some shade.
Okay.
Coleus, there are coleus that prefer sun and some that prefer shade and some part shade.
Good.
So just look on the label and see if you can find some pretty coleus foliage with part sun. Yes. Lobelia and also caladiums. And when I lived in an apartment, I grew caladiums in containers on my little apartment patio before. So caladiums.
How about that? Okay. Yeah, afternoon sun in the summertime is going to be hot. Yeah, that's the first thing I thought about. I lived in an apartment once upon a time, and I wanted to, of course, have some container plants. So I actually put some perennials in mine. So sedums would work, sedges would work, and some of your ornamental grasses.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
All right, Tradescanthia will also work. Or if you want to go with like tropicals, and I learned this from Joellen, you can actually put hibiscus in containers or mandevilla.
Oh, nice. It would be nice if you did the thriller, filler, and spiller thing.
Yeah, it would be nice.
Yeah.
Think about that. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.